Today we have an unboxing video. I will not be riding this scooter on this video. First of all, thanks to our sponsors geekbuying.com who sent this DUOTTS D88 huge box, 50 kilograms packed in the box, 46 kilograms out of the box. I'm very excited to get the scooter out because it's supposed to be 5600 watts, 60 volts, 35 amp hour battery, double suspension, 11-inch off-road tires. Without further ado, let's get inside the box. No, let's just open the box and see what's in there. The scooter is large and heavy, 46 kilograms. It's well packed in different packing foams and plastic, so there are basically no scratches or any transportation damages on it. It's 2 amp charger. It's 2 amp charger. And inside you have 35 amp hour battery pack, meaning that if you drain it completely and you need to charge it to full, it will take you around 17.5 hours to do so. So from all the extras, a set of tools, user manual, and the charger. Sounds simple, and it is simple. The same as it's pretty simple to assemble and put it together. You have to install the blinkers, or whatever you call the turn signals, and then the handlebars. There is a bit of play with the handlebar height and all the tools that are available on it. You need to find the right positions, heights and angles that will be comfortable to ride for you. And by the way, fun moment, the handlebars are collapsible, which actually saves a lot of space if you need to store it or transport the scooter to some places. As you can see, the handlebar height is really adjustable. So if I stand like this, it's for someone really small to ride the scooter. And if I put it all the way up, it has 3 fixed positions. That actually can quite work for me. Or you go even higher. Yeah, maybe that's even more comfortable for a tall person. So there are 2 ECUs here. The one is glued to the bottom and it's not moving. The other one is shaking a bit, and I am pretty sure it will create some sounds. And the battery pack, 60 volt, 35 amp hours, 2100 watt hours with LG 18650 cells. I will add some foam just from the materials in the box so that it prevents the controller from doing this. Other than that, it looks solid. The scooter is rated for IPX4 water protection, meaning it's protected from splashing of the water from any direction. As you can see, there are no cable grommets and there is some silicone on the wires here, but no silicone under the hood or deck or between the deck and the battery compartment. I don't think there is a problem riding it in the rain, but you would definitely not want to submerge it into any water or wash it with high pressure washer or anything like that. So the way the scooter is built, you can basically separate it in 3 big parts. So there is the entire rear fork assembly, which is bolted to this middle metal box where you keep your battery and controllers. And then this part is also bolted with the screws onto the box. Effectively, this metal battery box, it's a part of the entire construction. The welds look nice. Time to turn the beast on. For that we will need the keys. We have 3 speed modes here. We have Eco or Turbo mode, single or double motor. This is supposed to turn on and off the lights. Well, it does not do that because the lights on this scooter has separate on-off button here. We have a honk on the left side as well, which is unbelievably loud. Oh my god, my ears hurt. If we continue going down the scooter, you can see there is a full-size hydraulic suspension fork here, shock absorber right here on one side and on the other side where the most impact from the road will go through, and then there are these horizontal connecting parts that connect your handlebars to the suspension forks. Two headlights, which I absolutely love. I like the orange accent they put in this rubber band. It looks absolutely fantastic. They have, like, you know, angel eyes thingy, so it would be cool to see. It would be cool to see in the dark. If we could actually turn off the main lights and only leave those rings, that would look pretty sick. Nevertheless, there is one option. If you turn on the lights, they start strobing. So you also have a strobe light, which is also very, very cool. I absolutely love the headlights. Probably my favorite part of this scooter yet is the headlights. Overall, the front assembly of the scooter looks really decent. I love the headlights, the super loud honk, the front suspension that is hydraulic, so I assume it will work well. 11-inch off-road tires, hydraulic disc brake in front and in the rear. It looks like the performance will be really cool. I can't wait to go and test the scooter out. There are additional headlights under the deck in front of the battery compartment, the same as the tail light at the back and the brake light at the top. Not to mention the really cool looking LED turn signals, which, yeah, I think it looks nice and smooth. And of course on the side of the scooter we have these color changing red, green, blue LED lights. I would actually like them to stay like in one color instead of blinking, but this is how it comes stock. Actually, it's pretty cool. Despite the scooter being itself really big, it has folding mechanism. In order to fold the scooter, you will first have to open this handle, and then there is a security lock on the other side, and then it goes down. What you can notice underneath, and by the way it locks with the same mechanism, one thing I would like to mention is that there are two rubber bumpers here, so when it collapses it doesn't hit the floor with the metal box. Instead, there's two rubber bumpers, which I think is a nice touch. The deck has grip tape in the middle. There is no grip tape on the sides. It can be quite slippery when it's wet. I will see. If it's too slippery, you know, you can always put some grip tape on it from skateboards, longboards and so on. Here at the rear you have this metal fender which works as the support, so you can easily stand all the way up to here, and the fender is only a little plastic plate that's screwed from underneath. One more thing that's made really simple. So here you have it, DUOTTS D88. My first impressions of the scooter are actually very good. I didn't see any critical quality defects for assembling it, and overall it looks like the manufacturer put enough of attention to detail when assembling this scooter together. What do I mean? I checked all the bolts and screws, nothing is loose. It's made waterproof to the level you can ride it in the rain, meaning nothing will splash onto the battery. You just cannot submerge it in water, then you will have potentially some issues. The highlights of the scooter are 2800 watt at the front and the back, so it's dual motor scooter, 35 amp hour 60 volt battery pack, headlights, taillights. The headlights are fantastic. My favorite part of the scooter are these headlights because they look so cool. I don't know if they work well or not. We will about to test that out on the road. It has the oil front shock absorbers. It has potentially oil shock absorber at the back, which I don't know. Dual disc brakes and so on and so forth. It's a foldable scooter. It has adjustable handlebar height. It has collapsible handlebars as well. Now we just need to try it out on the road, off the road, and see how that works there. I want to say thank you all for watching. If you liked something about this video or you didn't like, and if you have a few minutes, drop the comment down below. I read 100% of my comments and I try to reply to majority of them. Also, if you have some questions or if you think I missed something, please let me know. Your votes with likes and dislikes help me to improve my content. Of course, together with your comments, they help even more because I know what people like about my videos or people don't like about the videos, and then I can fix it or keep doing the same. Looking forward to see you in 2-3 weeks. I hope you are looking forward too. Thank you all for watching and have a fantastic day.